This video demonstrates how to track your professional development journey with My CPD Records. My CPD Records allows you to set professional development targets and keep track of those records. In the My CPD Records tab, you can view your overall progress for your structured and unstructured learning and see the progress of your professional development targets. By clicking Adjust Targets, you can manage your personal learning goals by choosing an annual target and tracking your progress. Click the Edit icon to adjust each category's target for structured and unstructured learning. Click Add New Record to record your learning time for a specific category. Name your record, choose the type of learning category and method, and log the time spent and the date you engaged in professional development. Upload any evidence and answer any questions related to your record. My Records shows all your logged learning and displays your progress in the Overall Progress and Progress by Category tabs. If your organization has enabled it, you can view the My CPD Records widget on your organizational homepage. The widget shows you a quick overview of your overall progress or can be filtered to show you your progress by category.